APC rejects defeat in Osun State governorship election, says it may challenge Governor Adeleke's victory in court. This is what I'm hearing this evening. All of us were here when the president himself congratulated the re-elected governor. So if they want to go to court, I don't have any problem with that, because they are the master of go to court. Now, the only thing that is different is that Osun State is not Imo State, where a sitting governor was removed and replaced by an APC candidate, Governor Hope Uzodinma, who came forth in the same gubernatorial election. So if they are expecting any victory in court, it is not going to happen, because the election was free and fair, despite what APC brought to that election. They brought assassination. Many people, about 11 people, lost their lives during that electioneering period before the election. Not only that, the day of the election, they uses their might. They uses our security agencies' combat vehicle. Are you getting me? To snatch ballot papers. We saw the videos flying. So if they want to run to court, there is no problem. But let me just read out this statement, and I will say one or two. And I read, All Progressive Congress, APC, in Osun State has rejected any suggestion that Saturday's governorship election is over, saying it is reviewing the result announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, before deciding its next move. The party said it will consult its legal team and they consider all constitutional and legal options available to challenge any alleged irregularities recorded during the electoral process. The APC made its position known in a statement issued in Osogbo on Saturday by its spokesperson, Kola Olabisi. According to the party, the electoral process does not end with the announcement of results, stressing that parties are entitled to seek redress through the courts where they believe the process was flawed. We are not unaware of the fact that an election is a process which begins with the registration of voters through the primary election to the election proper, and the extend to the tribunal, the Court of Appeal, and terminates at the Supreme Court, Olabisi stated. An election cannot be said to have been concluded without exploring all constitutionally allowed legal opportunities to correct anomalies observed in the process as enshrined in the Electoral Act 2026 as amended. The party said it was currently studying the outcome of the election and would rely on professional advice from its lawyers before determining whether to proceed with litigation. It also commended its members and supporters for remaining committed throughout the electoral process. We commend the steadfastness, sagacity, and loyalty of the numerous members and supporters of our party for their contributions in getting to this juncture in the political history of the Osun, Olabisi stated. The APC said its commitment to the rule of law would guide whatever decision it eventually takes, arguing that the declaration of the result by INEC represented a fresh development in the political history of the state, but did not prevent the party from seeking legal redress. The party further appealed for calm among its supporters, warning them against responding to alleged provocations by members of the ruling party. As a result of the foregoing, we are imploring our ever-loyal members and supporters to remain cool and calm while they carry on with the businesses and refuse to respond to any provocative action or inaction from any members of the ruling party across the state, the party stated. So when I don't hear them, what it means is that they are still exploring their options, whether to go to court. And the most important thing is this: let us understand what is going on. They are very desperate to get to power by all means, and I'm not sure this matter is over. That is truth of the matter. Anyways, we are still waiting to know if they will now go to court. Remember, why the new re-elected governor was interviewed this evening at Channel News Television, he made it very clear that the opposition candidate has not called him and congratulated him. That is to show you that they are not yet happy. Do you get now? And I'm not saying that they are obligated to congratulate the governor or not. It is their choice, because when P2B was not announced the winner of 2023 presidential election, he did not call Tinubu to congratulate him. Neither did Atiku did the same. So I'm not expecting them to congratulate the governor. Are you getting me? It is their choice, their fundamental human right to choose whatever they want to do. In fact, it is their right to even go to court, as enshrined by the Constitution and the Electoral Act, according to what we have seen. But the truth of the matter is that I am not seeing them going to court and win. The only thing that would happen is that they might conduct their legal team. Are you getting me? And their legal team might even try to persuade them to press charges in court. Remember, if election happens and lawyers didn't eat, it means that there's nothing like election. So every lawyer must try to, to make it to press charges so that they will eat. That is their profession. Lawyers doesn't offer anybody pro bono service in terms of litigations that led to election. Are you getting me? So that is it. And we are still waiting because I am seeing them wasting their money. I am seeing lawyers, are you getting me, doing their professional job, because no matter how a case might be, your lawyer must tell you to do what? To go legal means now. So whatever that they are trying to imply, bring as evidence, they will also like to go to court. But let us see how it's going to work. At the end of the day, the people of Osun have decided. The reason why you should know is the celebration going on around the street after the election. That unlike what we've seen in Imo State last gubernatorial election. Are you getting me? For example, so that is it. Or unlike what we've seen in Edo State last gubernatorial election. So I believe that people's mandate was not stolen. Anyways, tell me your thoughts on the comment section. And most importantly, share this video, make another person share.